students. Today I am going to explain about other three revolutionaries of India like Bhagat Singh, Shyamji Krishna Verma and Madam Bikaji Kama. Chapter 5, Standard A, SS, and today it is the third lecture. Okay, and I am going to explain about Bhagat Singh, Shyamji Krishna Verma and Madam Bikaji Kama. Okay. Now Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh. When I explained about Ram Prasad Bismil, and at that time I said that Bhagat Singh was considering him as the poet and writer of Urdu and Hindi language. Okay. About Ram Prasad Bismil. Here I am saying giving information about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907. Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village of Punjab. Okay, Bhagat Singh was from Punjab. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village of Punjab. Okay, he studied European revolutionary movements. He studied European revolutionary movements and attracted toward anarchist and Marxist ideologists. Okay, he was attracted to anarchist and Marxist ideologists. Okay, next thing, he became the member of. Okay, he took part in different kind of revolutionary activities and became the member of Hindustan Republic Association. We know he was one of the founder. Na Ram Prasad. When I said about Ram Prasad Bismil, that time I explained. Na Hindustan Republic Association. Okay, so he became one of the member of Hindustan Republic Association. Okay, when he was studying in a national college at Lahore. Okay, when he was studying in a Lahore National College, he came in contact with Sukhdev, Bhagwat Charan and Yashpal. Okay, when he was studying in a Lahore National College, he came in contact with other persons like Sukhdev, Bhagwat Charan and Yashpal. Okay, here Batukeshwar Dutt and Bhagat Singh, they threw a bomb in Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1928. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb on 8th April 1928. Okay, they had time to escape from there, but they did not escape. They stood there, they shouted slogans like दुनिया के मजदूर एक हो, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, like that slogans they shouted. Okay, though they had time, but they did not escape from there. Okay, on 8th April 1928, they did not escape. They could escape, but they did not, and shouted slogans. Okay, and they dispersed pamphlets about the revolutionary message. They dispersed. They shot in air instead of killing anyone. They shot in air. So here I have written him is Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb on 8th April 1928. They did not escape. Okay, they did not escape and shouted slogan Inqilab Jindabad. Okay, Samrajyavad ka nash ho, like that, and shouted slogan. Okay, dispersed the pamphlets with a revolutionary message. Okay, because they wanted to throw Britishers away from India. They wanted to throw Britishers away from India. Okay, they fired shot in the air and surrendered themselves peacefully. Okay, potani jaat ne they surrendered themselves. Okay, fired shot in the air and surrendered themselves peacefully. Okay. Now what happened? Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, they killed Saunders. They killed one Britisher named Saunders in order to take the revenge. In order to take the revenge of death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai, that I am going to explain very soon. Okay? In next chapter, maybe I am going to explain this thing. Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay? When he died, Lala Lajpat Rai died in order to take the revenge about Lala Lajpat Rai's death. Okay? They killed Saunders and they were arrested, and these three, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, they were hanged on 23rd March 1931. Okay? 3. If I ask which two revolutionaries were hanged on the same day, then we have to consider Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaq Ullah Khan. But if I ask about trio 3, which 3 revolutionaries were hanged on the same day, we have to answer Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. They were hanged on 23rd March 1931. Got it? About 2 revolutionaries and about 3 revolutionaries. Next one is Shyamji Krishna Verma. Okay, Shyamji Krishna Verma, he was Gujarati. He was from Gujarat. He was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi, Kutch, Gujarat. Mandvi, Kutch, Gujarat. He was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi, Kutch. Okay, my dear student, Vasudev Balwant Phadke was the pioneer of revolutionary activities. Here, Shyamji Krishna Verma is also called pioneer of revolutionary activity, but not in India, abroad. Okay, he was there abroad. So Vasudev Balwant Phadke, he was in India, but Shyamji Krishna Verma was in abroad. Okay, so Shyamji Krishna Verma, he graduated from Oxford University. He graduated from Oxford University and played a vital role, big role in establishing Indian Home Rule Society, with Madam Bikaji Kama also was there. Okay, so Shyamji Krishna Verma played a vital role, big role in establishing Indian Home Rule Society, and his office name was India House. Okay, India House, it was the office, his office name. Okay, so he was doing revolutionary activities staying in England, but due to some reason he left England, went to Paris. After that, after Paris, he went to Switzerland and he died in Switzerland in 1930. Okay, now what was the reason? What was the reason why he left England, went to Paris? Okay, my dear student, he had one friend named Madan Lal Dhingra. He had one friend named Madan Lal Dhingra. Here I have written, okay, when Madan Lal Dhingra shot that Sir William Valley in London, so feeling unsafety, feeling unsecure in England, he went to Paris, and from Paris he went to Switzerland, and in 1930 he died. He had a good friend like Veer Savarkar, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Madan Lal Dhingra, and Sardar Singh Rana, as well as Madam Bikaji Kama. Madam Bikaji Kama. Okay, my dear student, in 1901, Madan Lal Dhingra, when shot William Valley, okay, feeling unsecure, Shyamji felt unsecure. He left from England to Paris and then to Switzerland. Got it? So here that, my dear student, Shyamji Krishna Verma and his wife Bhanumati, they died and the ashes of Asticum, they were brought here on 4th September 4th September in 2003, okay, to India. My dear student, our Prime Minister, I think our Prime Minister at that time, the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Singh Modi, he brought the urns of ashes, okay, ashes urn to Gujarat, okay, got it. So this is the summary of Bhagat Singh and Shyamji Krishna Verma. Now one more revolutionary, that is Madam Bikaji Kama. She was born in Mumbai on 24th September. Madam Kama was born in Mumbai on 24th September and stayed in London from 1902 till 1907. Okay, she stayed in London from 1902 to 1907, and when in 1907 in Germany there was a second I have written here, second international socialist conference held in Germany. She took part in that conference and unfurled a flag in which it was written Vande Mataram. In that flag it was written Vande Mataram, and in that flag 8 lotus were there. How many lotus were there? 8 lotus. Lotus means they were symbolizes the provinces. They were symbolizes the 8 provinces. 8 lotus means 8 provinces, and in that there was a picture of sun and moon. Sun and moon means the unity of Hindu and Muslims in that flag. Okay, so unfurl a tricolor flag with the slogan Vande Mataram, and in that flag 8 lotus were there. How many lotus were there? 8 lotus and sun and moon. 8 lotus means 8 provinces of India and the symbol of unity of Hindu and Muslim. When I will explain the question answer, I will explain in detail. Thank you.